Alright, hey guys, here we have a Casablanca Victorian antique brass with etched crystal glass shades and walnut stencil. This fan is from November 16th, 1981, and I think it was the 610th fan made that day. I've been wanting a slimmer, quiet Victorian for quite a while. I'm glad to finally have one. Let's go take a look at it. I went through quite a lot to get this, and it was almost worth it. Well, no, it was definitely well worth it. It's in really good condition for its age, too. The only thing that's really showing any finish blemishes is the light kit. Everything else is pretty much to be expected. Alright, now I'm going to put it through its paces. And as you can see, the Summer Quiet does work flawlessly. Really? Okay, well, close enough. I love this stencil. I really do. Now, I can't remember if this one was backwards or not. I think the control on this is backwards for mine, is Zephyr. About a quarter of a turn. Another quarter of a turn. Yeah, alright, that's a little better. Alright. Another quarter of a turn. Another quarter of a turn. Actually, haven't tested this thing on high yet, so hopefully it'll perform nicely. Another quarter of a turn, so we're close to a medium speed. Let's bring it to full blast. too glary, is it? I really wish I had like a formal dining room to put this. Maybe like more of an elongated one so I can get two of them, but have them like kind of close together I think would look really cool. So have them like, 2 feet from each other, 3 feet, I think would be really cool in like a dining room. Something I forgot to mention is that this still does have the thinner blades. I think they're about 1/8 inch, or no, not 1/8, 3/8 to an inch, as opposed to I think now they used to use 1/4 inch. I don't know what they use currently, but yeah. Alright, anyways, there's my Casablanca Victorian. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.